Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I thought I had got my eggplant in too late, but they're really becoming pretty productive the end of September here, or in the month of September, and I noticed I got some nice eggplant here. We had some good rain last night. I think these can get bitter if they get too large, so this seems like a nice size here. I forget what the variety is, but I've got some leftover spaghetti sauce and meatballs, and I was thinking, gee, I like fried breaded eggplant, so I think I'm going to pick one of these and fry up some eggplant. So that's a nice size. It's kind of a purplish color, it's not black. Alright, so the first thing I had to do was clean up the kitchen area where I want to tape this. Always a good excuse to clean up. So I was looking at another YouTube video, and it's just simple frying, but I recall, I don't know if you make an eggplant parmesan, that you tend to salt these beforehand to draw out some of the moisture, but I'm not going to do that. So I just cut off the end. I don't think this paring, well, I have a paring knife, but I don't know if this is going to be able to take the peel off of this or not. Let's give it a try. Alright, that's working. So I'm going to peel the eggplant. Let's move that so it doesn't make that noise. Alright, probably not the best peeler, but it worked. I'm going to just cut the end off a little bit here. Not too much waste. Put this on the compost pile. Ouch! Watch out for the spikes. Alright, so thinner will cook faster, but you can make them, I guess, any thickness you want. So cut these into thin slices. Maybe I'll do a combination of some thicker ones and some thinner ones. Okay, that's all cut up. I don't think I need to really, they're kind of dry. I mean, they're not, I don't see, there's not a lot of moisture in them. So I'll just put them aside here and prepare some beaten eggs and get the breadcrumbs together. And I bought some Parmesan cheese that I'll mix in with the breadcrumbs. And just a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And we'll fry up some eggplant. So I bought some Parmesan cheese. It's not, you know, the stuff in the can. It's a fresher Parmesan, but it's a shredded one. It's not a grated one. So I'm thinking that I need to maybe break this up a little bit. Easy enough to do. And I'm going to use Italian breadcrumbs, not plain. Probably can get away without salt to taste at the end, I guess. So I'll just put this in the bowl here with a soup dish. I'm just using a Progresso breadcrumb here. Maybe 2 cups, cup and a half. I've got another one I had to go purchase. Maybe a cup. I'm just going to mix that up. Alright, so there's the dry, and you get a couple of eggs. Alright, so a couple of eggs. Mix that up. Now I'm just going to bread these as needed instead of all at once. Let me put a couple of tablespoons of oil in the pan here. Heat that up. Okay, so just place it in the egg mixture first, give it a good coating. Into the breadcrumbs with the Parmesan. Get that all coated. And into the pan. And repeat. So we'll see how long that takes, maybe a couple of minutes on each side. Alright, so it's been about a minute and a half. Let's see what we have here. If I can get underneath. Cheese is melting. Oh. Okay. Need to be turned. Have this about on medium. I think the eggplant's going to absorb some of this oil, so probably going to need to add some more. That's a good color. If I waited another 30 seconds, it would have been a little darker. Too dark, probably. So give it another minute and a half on this side. Alright, so I'm going to take them out, put them on a wire rack. Definitely going to have to add some more oil. And I'll just salt them with some kosher salt a little bit. And do the rest. Alright, so I fried up all the slices. Let's give this one a try. Got some spaghetti sauce with meatballs warming up. This probably even tastes better with some spaghetti sauce on it. So this is New England gardening. That one's already cold. With some freshly made, fried, breaded eggplant from the garden. This is New England gardening. Thanks for watching.